I will begin this episode with the art historian Erwin Panofsky and his observation of the resistance to the concept of Renaissance. It is perhaps no accident that the factuality of the Italian Renaissance has been most vigorously questioned by those who are not obliged to take a professional interest in the aesthetic aspects of civilization. Historians of economic and social developments, political and religious situations, and most particularly natural science, but only exceptionally by students of literature and hardly ever by historians of art. Some observers have called into question whether the Renaissance was a cultural advance from the Middle Ages, instead seeing it as a period of pessimism and nostalgia for classical antiquity, while social and economic historians, especially of the longue durée, have instead focused on the continuity between the two eras, which are linked, as Panofsky observed, by 1,000 ties. The term La Ricinta, or rebirth, first appeared in Giorgio Vasari's Lives of the Artists in 1550. Anglicised as the Renaissance in the 1830s, the word has also been extended to other historical and cultural movements, such as the Carolingian Renaissance and the Renaissance of the 12th century. The catalyst for religious power was held in its art and architecture. The shift from international Gothic style to the study of Greek and Roman remains had its origins in Italy, although no direct cause. The general inquisitiveness and interest blossomed into Italian style. The Medici helped aid patronage of the arts in Florence, a wealthy and influential family concerned that their religiously refuted business of banking was a dangerous hindrance to their Christian belief. They paid for commissioned works of art for the church that would help absolve their name. So great was their monetary power, they had a whole monastery built in San Marco, where Cosimo de' Medici had his own cell, along with other devout and religiously pious Dominicans. Fra Angelico, who painted the frescoes in the cells, and Savonarola, who, so devout, would resist many aspects of the Renaissance, so much so declaring a bonfire of the vanities in burning all secular art and writings. The purity of his message was said to side with the thinking of the later Reformation.